here on Edmund Chow's workshop is in terms of dramatizing presentation, if you like, and how to be able to engage with the audience in more of a meaningful way, as opposed to just delivering a lecture or a presentation which is just draw, right? It's like information.
As a trainer is not only an expert, but is do care about any individual one involved in the workshop, and is very clear to deliver his message whatever you want to achieve. So, and I feel so confident to work with him, and this make me more aware of the process I'm going through in the workshop.